In this tutorial you will learn what is keyword for PPC and why it is so important. Before starting this video, introduce myself. My name is Amin. I am a top-rated digital marketing specialist. Need help? If you need help, let me contact on my WhatsApp or Gmail. I will help you. Thank you so much watching this video. Let's go. So first of all, what is keyword for PPC? So PPC mean pay per click. You will pay the keyword on Google Ads or Microsoft Ads. Let me example. I searches here plumbing companies in USA. Here you can see sponsor. These are the ads. If I click this URL, the advertiser need to pay or Google take charges per click. So I will pay for the keyword that is called keyword for PPC. It is not a SEO keyword. PPC keyword only most targeted, sales oriented, lead oriented keyword that grow your business. So remember, you will pay every keyword. So keyword research is so important for a successful Google search ad campaign. In this part, you will learn why it is important. First of all, target audience. Every keyword has a intention. There has a infographic, intention, sales oriented, lead oriented. Based on the keyword, we can define target audience, and also we can find the relevance of our business. Suppose I searches here plumbing companies in USA. This is the most relevant ad, so most relevant audience. So if anyone searches plumbing companies in USA, they will see the ad. So relevance, relevance is an important part of keyword research. Cost efficiency. You will not every keyword because you will target a specific keyword for your business. Then it will be save your money and it will be cost efficient, and also it will be competitive advantage. Understanding the selecting right keyword can give you an edge over competitor by identifying niche or long tail keyword that are less competitive. You can attract targeted traffic at lower. So it is one of the important part of competitive advantage. Based on the keyword, we can optimize our ad. So keyword inform the creation of ad copy, helping you craft complaining message resonate your target audience. If you know Google Ads in the better, you know quality score is so important, and quality score is depend the most relevance ad copy. Insights and analysis. Keyword performance data provide valuable information insight into market, to trends, consumer behavior, and effectiveness of your advertising strategy. This data can inform adjustment to your campaign overall performance. Strategic planning. Keyword are essential for planning, optimizing PPC campaign. They help in determining budget allocation, setting bidding strategy, and define campaign goal. So in this video, I will cover what is keyword for PPC and why it is so important. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, or if you need help, let me contact my on my contact information. I will help you. In this series tutorial, you will learn the full tutorial about keyword research for PPC like Google Ads or Microsoft Ads. Thank you so much for watching this video.